Lots of you ask about my starter. How my starter is super active and it rises 5 times. I'm gonna tell you my little secret. Temperature. If you live in hot, humid area like me, you need to store your sourdough starter into the fridge. And when you are going to use it, simply just feed it 1 and see how it rises and how it's going to be. Sometimes it takes few days to become activated again. Don't freak out. But if you live in cold areas like somewhere in Europe, you don't need to put your sourdough starter into the fridge. You can store it anywhere in your kitchen. But remember, when you want to feed your sourdough starter, you need to bring it back to the life. By putting it inside of the oven with the light on, create that warm atmosphere, or using a proofing box. Another secret I'm going to share with you is, if your sourdough starter become acidic, you can just feed it 1-1-5 once in a month. By doing this, simply you just restart your sourdough starter. If you are beginner, I suggest you to just use bread strong flour. No need to use mixed flour for your sourdough starter. It's a bit complex and you can't control it. My piece of advice to you is always check your sourdough starter by yourself. Don't trust recipes blindly. You can smell your sourdough starter. You can see how it rises. Alright, I think that was it. That was all you need to know about sourdough starter. Share your thoughts and questions in comment section. I would love to answer all of that.